What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. And welcome back to my last video of 2017. Well, it's not really my last video of the year because I will be uploading one more. It'll be a compilation of the top 10 best hacks that I did throughout the year. But this video is brand new. In this video, guys, we're gonna be playing with Pop-Its. I went out to the dollar store and bought a bunch of these because I've always liked these. I've always liked using these for pranks. In fact, I did a prank video on my Cinex TV channel. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out. It's really funny. Well, with these guys, you guys can do a lot of stuff. And I have a bunch of ideas, which I'm gonna show you in this video. It's really fun and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Also guys, please subscribe to my channel for more videos in 2018. I will be coming at you with more pranks, more hacks, and lots more. How to sneak food into class, because based on the last video I uploaded, you guys can't get enough of those how to sneak food into class videos, so why not? Let's keep that series going. But for now guys, let's get started playing with these Pop-Its. Check it out. Let's start having fun with these Pop-Its. Some of you guys might know these as party snaps. Alright, so let's open these up. This, for example, has 2 packs of 50 pieces each. So that's about 100 that we can get out of this. And we all know what these do, right? If not, let me show you what they do. These are fun for kids. For example, look, you just toss them and they pop. Now, I know some of you are scared thinking that they hurt, but they actually don't. As I'm about to show you guys, I'm gonna pop one like this, and it's not gonna hurt. See, it doesn't hurt. You can even crush them with your hand. See, I got 3 right here, and look. So you guys can try these out. It's safe for kids. Anybody can play with these. And that's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna be playing with some Pop-Its. For example, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a giant Pop-It. And for that, we're gonna need some of this tissue paper. This could be gift paper. I'm gonna use it for my new shoes that I got for Christmas. I'm gonna tear out half of it just like that. I'm gonna lay it flat on the surface, and then I'm gonna take my Pop-Its and start undoing them and taking out those little rocks inside. Well, you're gonna have to do this to a lot of them, and I'm gonna do about 100 of them. So I'm gonna do a whole box just like that, guys, and I'm gonna fast forward this so that you guys don't get bored. As you guys can see, I put a bunch of them in there. It's about 100 Pop-Its in there. Now we're gonna close it up and kind of tighten it, just a little twist the top. And now we just created a big Pop-It. With the help of some floss, I'm gonna hold it together, keep it closed. So I'm gonna tie some around it, make sure it's tightly wrapped around it. So do you guys notice the difference? Here's a little Pop-It and here's a giant Pop-It. Yep, this one has about 100 of them. It's a lot of little rocks in there. Let's test it out, guys. First, I'm gonna show you the effect of a little Pop-It on a piece of paper. And then we're gonna try this big one. I guess it only leaves a mark, kind of stains it. But it's not that bad. It doesn't really do much to the paper, but leave a stain on there. Moment of truth, guys. Here's the giant party snap, the giant Pop-It. From about 2 feet up, I'm gonna let this drop. We'll see what happens to this piece of paper. Here it goes. Ow! Yeah, as you guys just saw, it made a big popping sound. Of course, you gotta deal with the mess, but I recommend you guys do this outside if you're gonna do it. Let's see what kind of damage it did. It's not bad at all. Look at that, guys. It just stained it. It just left a mark, but it didn't really break the paper. It didn't damage it completely. Or actually, look. A little flake came off. That's it, guys. One thing I always wanted to do with Pop-Its is put a bunch inside a chip bag. Right here I got my favorite chips, as you guys all know. These are Hot Cheetos Extra. Well, I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna open up the little baggies as well, and I'm just gonna dump them in there. Right here I have 100 of them, but I think I'm gonna do 150. So I'm gonna dump 3 bags in there. Just as they are. We don't have to take out the little rocks. We're gonna dump them just as they are, like I said. And I know a lot of you guys have been curious about this as well. I'm sure you guys have thought about putting a bunch of Pop-Its inside a chip bag like I'm doing so right now. Alright. This is the third bag. You know what, guys? Why not add another one? So it's gonna be 4 little baggies of 50, which equal 200. That's right, guys. 200 Pop-Its inside this bag of hot Cheetos. Now I'm gonna twist it, and again, I'm gonna use a piece of floss to hold it together. So here's the bag, and we're gonna find out together what's gonna happen to this bag when I throw it up. Will the bag pop, or will all the snaps pop inside? I don't know. I've never tried it, but I wanna find out. So here goes. Some of them popped, but not all of them. Let's see that again. I guess that some of them are popping and some of them aren't. All right, let's open it up. See what the damage is inside. Let's see. Some of them are still good. What I have here is a glue stick, and I'm more interested in the container, and I'm gonna fill it up with some of the rocks I got from the Pop-Its. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist the bottom of this glue stick to remove the glue, this little thing right here, and then I'm gonna start filling it up. I'm gonna make a little funnel with a piece of paper. I have my funnel ready, and then I'm gonna start gently, do this gently, guys, because it will pop if they all drop in really quickly. So gently drop all the little rocks inside. Alright, so the whole glue stick is filled up with those little rocks. Now I'm gonna put the cap on, and I'm gonna drop this, and we'll see what happens. Will the cap pop out, or will it stay intact? Will anything happen, really? That's the question. Well, let's find out. Whoa! It just flew like a rocket. It took off, it blasted off, and now I don't know where it's at. Let's see how well they do against a fidget spinner. So I'm gonna spin it, and then I'm gonna throw the Pop-Its at it, see if who would win. That is crazy. Seems like they cannot stop it. Whoa, that's a strong fidget spinner. Well, I guess the Pop-It can't stop it, right? Or maybe it can. How about this big one? Will this big one stop it? Let's find out. Wow, I guess the fidget spinner is stronger. I kind of missed with the last one, so I'm gonna drop it right in the center, right on the cap. Let's see if it'll stop it now. Then we'll find out who really is strongest, the fidget spinner or the Pop-It. Oh, wow. It's still going. But look what happened to it. What I have right here is a party popper. Yeah, these and Pop-Its go together because they do make loud sounds when you pop them. Now this one, guys, there's a string tied to it. All you guys gotta do is pull it. It will make that popping sound. And these are mainly just for celebrations and parties and like to ring in the new year, which is what I got them for. Well, if you've never seen one of these, let me show you how they work. You hold it with one hand and then you pull it with the other, aim, and then pretty much fire. It's got a little tissue paper inside. It's fun for everybody, even kids can enjoy these. Well, I'm gonna put some of these Pop-Its rocks inside and see what happens. I'm gonna remove the bottom, which is a piece of cardboard. It's just a circular cardboard, just like that. I'm gonna take out the little tissue paper that's inside. And then underneath, you'll find another circular piece of cardboard. We're gonna leave that there, and then we're just gonna fill it up with the little rocks. Alright, that works for me, guys. Then I'm gonna put the piece of cardboard back. And that's it. I'm gonna let this drop like a rocket, and then we're gonna see what happens. Here goes, pranksters. Just like a rocket, it flew off. I've always wondered what would happen if I put a couple Pop-Its inside, then blow up this balloon. If I shake the balloon, will the balloon pop or not? We're about to find out right now. First thing I'm gonna do is put a couple of Pop-Its inside. That's a fail. Always use scissors when opening up your bag of Poppets. Oh man. I'm just gonna put a couple inside, just like that. Alright, that's good enough for me. Now we're gonna blow up this balloon, so fill it up with air. Alright. Oh, what a fail again! Alright, so I put some more air in it. This is a different balloon because the other one flew away as I was trying to tie it. But as you guys can hear, inside are the Poppets. Now I'm gonna shake this and hopefully the Poppets will start popping inside and we'll see if it'll pop the balloon or not. Whoa. I guess it does work. Okay, so here's a different balloon. It doesn't really take much, as you guys just saw. As soon as they pop inside, I don't know what makes the balloon pop. I guess it's that sensitive that the slightest snap will make it pop. There you guys have it. I always wanted to try that, and I figured why not capture it on video. Well guys, I was about to end the video, but then I figured, well, what if I throw Poppets at the balloon? So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna throw them at the balloon like this, and we'll see if it pops. Oh, the balloon threw it right back at me, look. It's like, they don't wanna pop. What? Well, this is a total fail. Whoa, it doesn't wanna pop, guys. Oh man. How about if we make a giant Poppet? Will that work? Let's find out, pranksters. Here it is, a bigger Poppet. This one has about 25 in there. So let's see if this will pop the balloon. It didn't take much, huh? Yeah, the balloon is no longer a balloon. It's just a piece of latex. I'm not looking forward to cleaning up my kitchen because it's messy. It was already messy because I've been making a lot of videos lately and I don't really clean up after a video. It usually takes about 3 videos for me to clean up my kitchen. But anyway, that's not the point here. I just wanted to let you guys know that I had a bunch of fun making this video. Poppets are a whole bunch of fun. It's great for kids, but I gotta warn you guys, if you do make a giant Poppet, please do it outside, away from a lot of things because they are messy and they do make a loud popping sound. So for those with sensitive ears, please stay away. It's not for you. So just letting you know. Well, anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by and supporting me and watching this video and all the stuff you guys do for me. You guys are the best. I'll see you pranksters in 2018. Thanks for watching. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys 5 pranks that you guys can set up in the classroom for April Fools. You're gonna take out all their crayons and twist it till the glue stick comes out completely like this. So now the inside is hollowed out and we're gonna fill it up with some water. I'm not gonna use just any water. I'm gonna use some Kool-Aid completely all the way to the very top. Then we're gonna put the tube in between the binder rings like this and then we're gonna close them. You're gonna position the egg like this. I'm just gonna attach it on there. You're gonna open it up again as it was, just like that, and the prank is set.